when you do subscribe, hit the bell on YouTube so that you'll be notified for future episodes. Take care. Randy Pottinger.
Hi, view.
There, you know.
Didn't see view with the family.
See there? Christo this, you know.
Christo.
I sing the song about sufferation. When I say, "To sometime me live, me no want my youth come live, so. Me still give Father thanks to when me give to Christo." See me?
Yeah, Christo.
Yeah.
See that Christo.
One I know the youngest one this. It's a Kwesi and him love ball. Him love football.
Oh, you the baller?
Yeah. Recognize this.
Yeah.
Because of that.
I see there.
I'm looking at Megan, you know.
Megan.
My family, man.
Hello.
You know, represent IView, you see?
Yeah. True.
See, tell me name of this now.
Good life, you know. Big up good life, you know.
See there. I view.
Yeah, man, let's big up everybody in the world. Christmas greetings to all, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Christmas greetings to all who subscribe to Jamaica Good Life and all who don't subscribe. Big up on yourself, same way. Happy Christmas greetings. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year to everybody in the world, you know what I mean? We're not be specific to nobody, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Yes, in a real life.
Same way.
Yeah, man.
So, Christo, I'm a baller, I am an artist. So,
Christo artist, you know.
Yeah. So, how much? How old are you?
15, you know.
Yeah.
You don't take him through liquor, son.
I say, Christo, you're artist too? Yeah. So, IView, so you and him not do any song together?
Yeah, that's
You
song
must.
there. I don't remember how that song they got get.
Yeah.
Where got get, Christo? Hey, where got get?
I'm not saying I don't understand.
Not neat. Outside, give me that one there. You don't remember it?
Christian in liquor.
Look at team, see next one there. You know what I mean? Forward, man.
So you see, young IView have him own a little music crew.
You know what I mean? Some of them want to look a song and thing.
Yeah. Young Christo, cause your father bad, you know.
Yeah, Pampas.
So you make out of them. So the father, so the son. Go on, Christo.
Which tune you get?
Which tune you want to give them? Anyone, give them anyone.
Anything.
Clean, I'm step out, yeah. Them type of jeans, I'm not make out, yeah. My sweet, I'm a bar under for shoulder. Girl, one day funny me, make out, yeah. You know, clean, I'm step out, yeah. Them type of jeans, I'm not make out, yeah. We know me at the party, left out, yeah. I'm moving this thing, Kim Kurt out, yeah. Stepping at the party, be a girl beside of me.
Make me.
Look at the beside of me.
Make me.
The girl them a gamble. A key and coat, the girl them a
Bet off for me.
I mind to me think girl a
Stretch off for me.
I tell me say me want a
Touch off for me.
Me clean and IView clean, but guess what?
What?
I just trim take off for me.
Yeah. So you say,
Are you taking off for him?
you take off
See, I mean, take off for him. See, there you go.
So Christo, so tell me something. So introduce your friend them come in and see what I go on with them.
See what I got.
See what I go on with their friend them now, Christo. Because the music crew this. Them crew. Alright then, you introduce yourself.
I'm Sinka, man.
Yeah, you? Omar. So you say, I give you something too?
Man, there, man. Man make it no money pile up jet and house. Because you know if you pour through the system, set it so be careful with the pan road. Swimming pool on a back, y'all watch where we stepping out. Like a mat say we set it out. Pass Bill left the latest things we get it. Yo, mommy no bother with this stressing, no. Me I go buy what you want, rich life that me medicine, no. Work out for me account fit. But what you know which I man did rich, do the work pockets that come.
Oh.
Just a bit.
Just a bit. Yeah, how old are you? How old are you?
I'm 14, man.
14. You? Omar?
What's your man? What's your brother?
Shy guy.
Yeah, shy.
Shy guy.
Crystal, how much? Crystal, tell him.
15.
Alright, so yeah, how much?
15.
Yeah, give them a lyrics. Yeah, give them something too.
Give us something, man.
Alright, give us something.
You can't forget and give us something.
Give us something then.
Hey.
The full of song.
I sing loud, my brother. We hear where I go, because your body, no.
You ever get to you tune?
Yeah. Yeah.
Inna the Gideon. Nowadays people are dead young, like nobody know I live long. And if they get to you, them in the street, they gone down by Babylon. They get to you, them hungry from morning till night come. And all them have with just a big long gun. Get to you, then them a star, them want to shine bright. But all them want is just a little spotlight. And now I feel do
Yeah, I'm bad.
See if you, you know.
Yeah.
See if you know, sir. See if you have got talent.
Yeah, I'm bad. Yeah. I'm bad.
I'm serious like Chris.
I'm bad.
Bust that song again for Jamaica.
Yeah, again. Yeah. Yo, that song the bad with all life. It's there for pull up back.
Yeah, Jamaica good life for Crescent.
Yeah.
Pull it up back again. Give it again.
Inna the Gideon. Nowadays people are dead young, and nobody know I live long. And if they get to you, them in the street, they gone down by Babylon. They get to you, them hungry from morning till night come. And all them have it just a big long gun. Get to you, them master, them want to shine bright. But all them want it just a little spotlight. Then they want to do the wrong, them want to do the right. Life is about to feel you have to fight with the mic. Get to you, them a boss come because them want a better life. Them tired that they struggling in a the Gideon, where poor people suffering. Can't walk when them foot on them belly, them crawling. Get to you, them want to hustle, them in all income. And for them to reach and go on negative, we bring them down. They say to when them see them raise up. Jealousy, you go beat them like a jam. Life is a double blank, but it's not a double pure. And it's scary now, but it's not a double sure. Poverty, that's how they get to you them know. And a little sacrifice and the film make the work go through. Life hardest and everybody understand. Get to you go if you wanna depend on a man.
Hey, bad.
Jamaica good life, you see that?
Yeah, challenge.
Only Jamaica good life, you see them thing apart.
True. Only Jamaica good life.
Jamaica good life.
See, yeah.
You know what I mean? Real natural talent, you know what I mean? We're out there, the people are really highlight and see. You know what I mean?
Just.
See them? See the singing, Zoe. See, Zoe singing. Tell you what I'm going. Watch her pose there.
Yes, sorry.
Watch her pose there.
Jamaica, good life.
You know what I mean?
So them
The
the
baby will
future.
there, baby sit, because you know the thing go. I mean, I jack of all trade, you know.
Still have to do the work, see you.
And trade of all jack.
Which is right. Baby sitting. Crystal, you give me, I leave you with something else before we leave. I give you something else before we leave. I give you something before we leave.
Oh yeah, something around there.
The girl so sweet like sauce. If I night come me a did the shots. When me a walk and the girl them smell me cologne. Them know say I me that pass. Just show me
Clean like Jesus' heart. Clean like Jesus' heart.
do now. The time in the green like grass. Put off food jeans with a neat bad clothes. And then I'm skim a road boy. I'm gonna fish me a
Give my board.
be a frog tail around me down.
When the team are roll.
One nah tree shabarang sing.
Trailer load.
In a me pocket for the front
Paper load.
side I'm a thing soon.
Greater road.
Carry up so
Overload.
don't run in we stay in a Leona zone.
You know.
Get them so sweet like sauce.
I view a year product.
You know what I mean? That Crystal be the moon song them, you know.
Yeah.
And have a more look crew and have a more look thing, you know what I mean? So, you know, if it's not for we, that's what I'm telling you. That's not for Crystal.
See there?
You know what I mean?
You know what I mean? Definitely. Good life.
Good life.
Good life.
Big up Jamaica good life.
Crystal.
Big up Jamaica good.
Oh, young generation. I view.
There up on the ground.
See there.
You know, see if you your white sea drive, that's what I'm telling you. Well, see if you nice, but just a white sea drive.
Sure.
Alright, man.
Which is right.
You them.
Postman.
Postman, please.
Original Postman. Introduce yourself.
My name is Elliot, I'm coming squad one, you see, squad.
See it there.
Yeah, Kingston 11 Postman, now they are 13. So big up the man from all of the people, them, the Kingston 11 here and the Kingston 13, you see?
Yeah.
One love, you know?
One love.
Peace.
Peace. Big up. Blessings.
Pick up my daughter, them Sandra and Bash, my son Michael.
Yeah.
Richie, my grandson.
Yeah.
My granddaughter Jody.
Yeah.
Franchi.
Which part
Diana.
Sandra.
No, because Sandra
Sandra
already.
already, yeah,
Michael.
Yeah.
Pick them up. Wish them a Merry Christmas and a prosperous New
Year.
Year.
Jamaica good life.
Jamaica good life.
Life now.
Tupicalo. Pagushi.
Cushy.
Picalo, otherwise known as Kevin, coming from his grandmother. To my friend in England and to my best friend Cynthia in USA. And Bill, my nephew, and Winsome, his wife, and his 2 sons. Greetings. Hope you guys recover soon. Greetings coming from Blanche, your aunt in Jamaica.
And then,
yeah, Merry Christmas to Piccolo, my son, my granddaughter, and Piccolo woman, yeah. I want them to know say have a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Yeah. Everybody in London, all over the world. Yeah. Felicia, big up yourself. Mikey, big up yourself. Dim, Zidian, yeah. Have a Merry Christmas.
yeah, and a Happy New Year.
Yeah.
Jamaica good life.
Right.
Merry Christmas to everyone and a Happy New Year.
Yes, I am sending greetings to all my family overseas from Sonia. My nephew, my nieces, my cousin, all the best for the season. Wishing him a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year when it comes.
Definitely.
I'm sending greetings to my church family from Celebration Church, from Sonia, Carol Road. Wishing them all the best for the season and compliment to my pastors. All my children, my father, my husband, big up for the New Year and Christmas.
Blessings.
Big up in our Jamaica Good Life. You don't know what Jennifer is otherwise known as G for as Jenny. Big up to all my family members at home and abroad. My cousin Chevy, known as Brian, family's friend, cousin Karine, you name it, all of them, you know. We're wishing them prosperous New Year's when it comes. Happy Christmas, enough love, enough life and prosperity. And here on earth, Jamaica, big up to everyone. MRD family, Herbalife family, brother, sister, mother, stepfather, aunties, uncles, cousins, the whole works, you know. Big up yourself and just know say when it comes we will celebrate big time. One love.
One love.
Yeah man, I JJ again man, I know this is Bad MC. Representing for each and everyone. I don't know a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year and a prosperous life, you know. Rich life too. Whole heap of prosperity back right, you know, it's Bad MC, I'm out.
Good life.
Greetings to Portia. I hope you have put everything behind you. Have a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Yes, no man, I'm telling you a good life. You know, more make you know, say, I send out some greetings overseas. You see my grandmother, Hyacinth Hamilton. Enough greetings. Yeah, my grandmother, I love you. You hear that? And my Auntie Angela, Auntie Sharon, Donovan Gussie. You name the whole of them. Hold on, greetings over there. You don't know where they are here, I go and hold it. You have to look some food now. You understand?
All of New York, you know. Shaman, Neil, Wes, Kevin, Dan. Adaka send greetings to the whole of you know.
Mr. Spencer.
The man, you know, Mr. Spencer, otherwise, you know. So big up family and big up New York. You know, we see me one at the time you hear me, brother.
Shit.
Good life, Jamaica, this way.
Jamaica, good life.
I remember.
Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year's with moms, yeah? Moms, tell their greetings. Tell the whole Canada and the whole England and the whole America, say, Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. When it come, innit?
Jabber at feet, yeah. You don't know, we are like the street, yeah. So my feet hot, I can't even count too much time I move it. You don't know Christmas time and I send out greetings to my mother when I see for 28 years now that I count off for you, see me? So you know the thing, yeah, mama, I'm missing you so much. You know how much time we look out to see her forward for the Christmas and still not see yet, but I don't know me and you communicate, give thanks, say in flesh, say me. You don't know. A greetings I go to all the people them out in the world, Universal, England, Birmingham, UK, St. Tune, you don't know, US, yeah man, Germany, the whole world, so you don't know what I'm representing to each and every one of you, you know? Saying have a happy holidays, you don't know the thing, Plumber, big up yourself and we are looking at you. Greatness man, one idea I can't.
Plumber. Original photo video man for years in Seaview. And I'm going to say greetings to all my friends, family and fans. That's a whole heap.
Whole heap.
A whole lot.
Over the years.
Over the years without tears.
Yeah.
Yeah. So wishing them Merry Christmas, a prosperous New Year when it comes.
Yeah. Whole family.
Whole entourage. Yeah man, Sandy, Judy, Annie, who is entourage.
See me now?
Yeah.
Cool.
Yeah man,
Sending out
big greetings. Big greetings to the whole of my family now. My loving sister, Judy, Annie, Sandy, Dave, Mark, Ricky, Poochie, Gregory. You don't know. I want love, you know. I want prosperity. All the rest of my family, them. My friend in Panduen Drive, my friend in a prostitute, all of the crew, in a Seaview all over. I want greetings, I want love, you know. Just praise it for the rest of the year.
Yeah,
praise it for the rest of the year. Merry Christmas and prosperous New Year. I saw the Pitney, you know.
Yeah.
I enjoy it, man, you know. I enjoy it
Merry
next.
Christmas to each and everyone. Okay?
Yes, from movie.
I saw me Pitney, him and the jerk, man.
Yeah,
man. And them youth come from far. I struggle and taking on. See my brother there? I struggle right through them, man.
Yeah, true.
Far where I come from, man.
Yeah, very far.
I know.
Yes, Mama, respect and blessings for the greetings, yeah?
All the best for the rest of the year, my friend. And you too.
Yeah, man.
Merry Christmas.
Big up your family.
Okay?
Big up your family and your little young one there.
Yeah, you want the chicken.
The production and the work, you know.
Yeah.
And as hard as you can see, it's an order we have to put out right away.
Right away is an order.
Somebody could come for around 200 pounds, so you just do the job.
Yeah.
You know, just a big up everybody, you know, each and every one, you know, the whole Seaview, you know, segregate, you know, so big up the whole Seaview,
Yeah,
the whole
true.
works. You understand? And so great things and blessings to everyone here.
True.
There on the ground and go on over it and put in the work.
And then to stay safe.
Big up on yourself and hold it for the other.
Yeah, go back tomorrow again. You're good to go.
Mama, who you call you?
Mother.
Eh?
Hey man say, he doesn't come from down town, mad.
Don't get crazy.
Mad.
Don't get crazy, you know, man. I know it's not get crazy.
You want to
get crazy, you know.
You know, I want some sense out of this belly.
Cole is still up on the hustle.
Yeah man, I'm at work, you know. I'm at work, my friend. Because I'm in the yard, I relax, but it's my work. Once the work is inside, then I'll deal with it.
Yeah. And when I walk like him, you know, good meeting and a good life. Send out our greetings.
Yes.
Anybody you want?
The Christmas season is here again one more time.
Yeah.
I would like to wish everybody Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. The 25th of December will be my mother's birthday and I wish her all the best. Wow. And I hope she lives to see many more. Love, lot of love can done. Nayoka, Nakisha, Nikisha, Kemar, Mr. Mackenzie, the whole entire family. Big up, mommy. Love you always.
Always. She born for Christmas Day. What a blessing she
Yeah, she's such a wonderful woman. Can't complain.
Yeah, complain. My friend, Jamaica, good life.
Yeah. I said striker.
Yeah.
Just a shout out to my kids them and my family them. Even though we not grieving, because we just bury my granny and something, but we still there in a good life.
Yeah.
Big up yourself in the key now.
All the time.
Robert, go and stay so.
Yeah.
Yeah, big up to everybody in Jamaica and all around the world. Yeah, I see him say it goes straight.
I Ted Striker checking out.
Alright, Jamaica, good life.
If you're new to the channel, you have to click on Season 1 playlist. It's a must.